Today we should start exercise number 6.6, maths for class 8. Exercise number 6.6, question number 1, maths for class 8. The question is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y. It is in the horizontal form. Now we should write it in the vertical form. It has been measured to solve. But remember that the degree of the variable will be added. Degree of the variable will be added up, and the coefficient of the variables will be multiplied with each other. Let us see. 2x uh, will be multiplied with the second polynomial. Second polynomial is 3x plus 2y. Now the second term is 3, so 3 will also be multiplied with 3x plus 2y. Now the coefficient will be multiplied with the coefficient, so 2 3 the 6 and this x and this x will be multiplied, but the degree of the x will be added. If a variable has no degree, we will consider that the degree of this variable is a 1. For example, this has no degree. It means that the power of the x is 1, and here it has also no degree. So the degree of the x is here is also 1. So the variable will be uh, degree of the variable will be added. Now here I have x and 1 is 2. It means that it is equal to 6x square. Now this 2x will be multiplied with the second term also. Here it is plus, so plus multiplied by plus is equal to plus of, and 2 to the 4. This is x and this is y. We can write in multiplication form x and y because the variables are different. When the variables are different, we cannot add the degree of the different variable. So we can add the degree of the variable of the same variable. For example, x and x, degree of the x and x can be added. The degree of the y and y can be added up, but the degree of the x and y cannot be added up. Only and only they can be written in the multiplication form. Now this is 3, so 3 will also multiply with this, so 3 3 the 9x plus 3 2 the 6y. Now same variable will be added with the same variable. This is 6x square. There is no x square, so I shall write it as it is. So it is equal to 6x square. Now there is no xy, so I shall write as it is 9x and plus 6y, and this is our final answer. So this is a horizontal form. Now I shall solve it in a vertical form also. So by writing it in the vertical form, 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2y. Now 3 to the 6 the degree of the x will be added. Here the degree of the x is 1, and the degree of the upper x is also 1. So 1 and 1 is equal to 2, so it is equal to 6x square. Now 3 3 the 9x. Now we should turn up the second term. Here it is a plus and plus and plus multiplied. It is equal to plus, so to 2 the 4xy. Here we have no xy. So the xy will be added in x separate space. So I shall write it to the 4xy. Now there is no xy. So I cannot write it under the x square or x, because they are different and xy is different. Now to plus and to plus is equal to plus, to 3 the 6y. So it is equal to 6x square plus 9x plus 4xy and plus 6y, and this is the final answer. Now question number 3. Part number 3. Part number 3 is a 7f plus 5g. 7f plus 5g multiplied by 7f minus 5g. 7f minus 5 g. Now 7 7 are 49. 7 7 are 49, and f will also be multiplied, but the degree of the f will be added. Here f has no degree, so we will take it as degree 1. So 1 is here and 1 is here, so they will be added. So 1 and 1 is equal to 2, so it is equal to 49 f square. Now here it is a plus, and plus multiplied by plus is equal to plus. So 7 5 are 35 f of g. F and g will be multiplied, but they are different variables, so we cannot add the degree of the different variables, but we can write it in the multiplication form. Now this is the term of the second term, so minus and 2 is equal to minus. For 7 the 35 fg, here it is f and it is g, so fg is present, so I shall write it as 35 fg. Now minus and 2 plus is equal to minus 5 pi the 25g square. G and g will be multiplied, and the degree of the g will be added, which is equal to 2. Now 49 f square. Now f you see it is plus 35 fg, it is minus 35 fg. As I had already told you that when the coefficient is also the same and variables are also same, and the symbols are different, so they can be cancelled with each other. It is plus 35 fg, and it is a minus 35 fg, so the coefficient is also the same and variables are also the same, and the symbols are different, so we can cancel with each other. Now it is equal to minus 25g square, so it is equal to 49 f square minus 25 g square. That's the final answer. So part number 5. Part number 5 is a p square plus 2p. The first term has a little bit the second term has more term. So I shall write it up in the upper side. So it is equal to p square plus q square minus r square. P square plus uh, plus q square minus r square, plus q square minus r square multiplied by p square plus 2p, p square plus 2p. So here it is plus, it is plus, so plus and plus is multiplied, it is equal to plus. Now p square and p square will be also multiplied. When p square and p square is multiplied, the result will be p to the power 4, because 2 and 2 will be added. So it is equal to p to the power 4, and plus and 2 plus is equal to plus. P square and q square cannot be multiplied, but can be written in the multiplication form, and here it is minus, so minus and plus is equal to minus p square r square. Now it's the term of the second term, so p square plus 2 p plus 2p, and p square will be multiplied. So the coefficient will multiply with the coefficient, so 2 1 the 2 and p square will be multiplied. So it will be equal to p cube, because here the degree is 1 and here the degree of the p is a 2. So 2 and 1 will be added and it will be equal to p cube. So p cube is not present here. So I shall write it in a separator. Space, it is equal to 2p cube. Now plus and plus is equal to plus. So 2 1 are 2p q square. 2p q square. 2p q square is not present here. So I shall write it in a separator. Space, which is equal to 2p q square. Now minus and plus is equal to minus. p square r square. So p square and r square is a present and it is here. So p not the p square and r square, it is 2 p. So 2p minus 2p r square, 2p r square, 2p r square is not present. So I shall write it in express space, it is equal to 2p r square and it is plus. Now we shall add up, so it is equal to minus 2p r square plus q to the power 4 plus of p square q square minus of p square r square plus of 2p cube plus 2p q square. Now I shall write it in the descending order with respect to p. So the power of p here it is of 4, so I shall write it of q to the power 4. Now plus 2p cube plus p square q square minus 2p r square minus 2p r square plus 2p q square. And in the last p square and q square is also present. I have already written, so it's the final answer. So you remember that while multiplying the variable with the same variable, we shall uh, add the degree of those variables, and the coefficient will multiply with the coefficient.